What's up, guys? So, little news for today is we got some drones. So we got not one but two DJI, DJI. I don't know why I always say GGI. DJI Mavic Airs. These things are super cool. We got a bunch of batteries lined up, getting charged up. Come with their little carrying case. I got this little bag I use. Got a bunch of stuff stored in there. But yeah, these things are freaking sick. Like, no kidding. Me and Amber were both flying these things around. Never really flown drones before in our lives. We had no problem taking off and landing on these little tables. Like, no problem at all. Super easy to use. Super cool. Good range. We fly for like 20 minutes on a charge, which is why it's nice to have like a bunch of batteries. I think we got 5 batteries total. One of these came with the Fly More kit. The other one did not. Unfortunately, I only have one charger because I bought both of these used. So I'm not paying $1,100 and $800 each. That not happening. But just so happened within like a week, I was able to buy 2 of the exact same model drones. Now, after saying all that, how easy they are to fly, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing when it comes to flying drones or trying to take video with them. But I just flew around the house, took some cool shots, I think. So check these out.